In this video, I will tell you how to fix Bybit app black screen problem. If your Bybit app showing black screen, this video is for you. So please watch the full video. Let's get started. First of all, long press on Bybit app and now tap on app info. After that, tap on storage usage. Now clear the cache and after that clear data. Now OK. Now close this app and go to Google Play Store and here search for Bybit. Now tap on here and here simply update the app to the latest version. Tap on update button. So this will fix the issue. So hope you will like this video. Thanks.